Hello everyone. So today we will be going to learn about the topic support packages. What are support package? A support package is a set of programs, tables, structures and so that is ABAP objects for different components of an SAP system that are corrections to the existing SAP source code. An SAP system consists of different software components, right? So all of these components are regularly updated using support packages. That is, errors are corrected and new functions are provided using support packages. For example, in your Windows, like frequently the updates will be updating every week, right? So likewise here the support packages also we need to apply every quarterly whenever the SAP release the support packages. So we need to apply a support package to make the necessary correction in the developed applications like basis ABAP applications. So a support package is a quantity of corrected or new SAP objects. Support packages are required to correct errors in various components. This is done by replacing the object with corrected versions of these objects. A support package stack is a combination of support packages. So we call it as a support packages stack when we combine all the support packages of all the components. So each software component has a separate sequence of support packages like HR, ABAP, like other components having the different support packages by its naming convention. Now, apart from the support packages, there are two more add-ons. What are the add-ons? Spam and Saint. The support package manager Spam is the tool for applying support packages. Before using the support package manager, you should patch the tool itself with a spam Saint update. This is a patch to enhance the functions of spam and Saint. So I mean, like when you are applying the support packages, you need to first update the spam. You need to first update the spam. Then only you can proceed with installing the support packages. What is the transaction code used for the support packages? Spam. S-P-A-M. So whenever you are applying support packages, you have to log in with the client 000 and user always should be DDIC. Now we will go to transaction code SPAM and hit enter. Okay, continue, and we want to see what are the support packages is being installed during the SAP installation. How to check? You need to select all support packages. Then you need to display. So it will show all the support packages. So see here, this is for the ABAP packages. The naming convention is SAP KA. Similarly, if you see SAP basis packages, SAP KB 70206. So this is the KB is the naming convention for SAP basis. Okay, 702 is the release and 06 is the level. So when it has been released, it was released on 2010. So it's 4 years back. So you need to update apply a lot of packages after that level, right? So how will you get this packages? From where you have to download? You have to download from service marketplace. So similarly, as I said, like different components like PI underscore basis, this is a different component. So it has also different support packages. So this is what you will see, the support packages with a level for each and every component. For example, say if it doesn't have the access to spam, what is the alternate way for checking the support package? So the alternate way, you can go by using the system. Okay, I will go back to my SAP menu. Now I want to see the alternate way for seeing the support package. You need to select system, status. From here, you need to select the component information. Once you click on that, it will show you the software component, SAP, ABAP basis, PI basis, whatever is I showed you. Like I told, this is the release and this is the level. So the last release and last level only will be shown up here. So you know ABAP last release was 702 and 06. So you need to apply the other support packages after this release and level. Okay. So this is how the concept of support package we use in SAP basis. So in our next session, we will going to see how to apply Saint, that is add-on, and how to apply the support packages. Thank you so much for attending this session. Bye. Hello everyone. So now we will be going to see how to import support packages. So in our previous session, we have already seen how to apply spam sent update. So after applying spam sent update, you need to import support packages. Now, before applying the support packages, there are few important points I want you all to remember. The first and the most important thing is that we need to take the offline backup of the whole SAP server. Why? Because while applying the package, if something goes wrong or any issue, critical issue arise, then it could create a lot of problem for other users. Okay, so it's better to take offline backup because we can restore back to that level. Okay, the second important thing is that always start applying support pack in the client 000 with user DDIC, as I already told before. And the third important thing is that no user activity should take place in the client where you are applying support pack. For example, if you are applying the support pack in the client 200 in the development server, then no user should do any activity at that time. Okay, so these are the few important things which we need to know before applying support packages. Now, you are seeing here, these are the points which we need to perform while importing support packages. The first step says check whether support packages have already been imported into your system or not. As we have seen that our support package level, how we are going to see spam, then you need to select all support packages. So as I told before that it is an old version. I mean like it's to 2010. So we have to check the level of support packages, right? So this is the first step in our support packages. So we need to first check whether support packages have already been imported into your system or not. Okay. So then we need to download the remaining support packages from Service Marketplace. Second point is extract the files that contain the new support packages at OS level. This is very important. As I discussed before, we need to extract the file. Where we need to extract the files? We need to extract the files at OS level. What is the directory of that OS level? Trans. Here you need to copy those support packages. After you download, you need to copy those support packages in this directory. And after that, you need to extract that file. As I told, the support packages will come in the car file, that is in the zip file. So once you extract that files, they will be going and extracting in the directory. So once the file has been extracted, this third point, you need to log on with the client 000 with the user DDIC. Okay. So you have to log on with the client 0 and user DDIC. Once you log on with the client, then you need to load the support packages. So how to load? You have to go to spam, enter. This is basically the error coming because of maintenance certificate. Okay. So continue, ignore that message. Now support packages. Now here you need to load the packages from application server. So you can either select from front end or application, wherever you are loading, extracting those packages. So once you select that option, then what happens? That will come in the new support packages. Once you load, it will show in the new support packages. Okay, before importing. Then after load, the fifth point, check the settings for the import of the support packages in the transaction spam. How to check? You have to go to extras. 1 minute, let me go back. Extracts and settings. Here if you go, and here it will show, once you load the packages it will show. Okay, and from here see there's a directory EPS in, and from there you have to define the queue. Okay, and then you will go to import queue. This is just, I'm showing what you are already doing from the front end level, like you are going support package loading from the front end. So this is for the fifth point. Then after that you have to define the queue. So how are you going to define the queue? You have to go to support package and then import queue. So last time after loading, what we did in spam sent, we went to import spam sent update. Now we have to go to import queue. Once you click on import queue, the column which you are giving for queue, that row, it will be coming with the latest version of the package, where start point of the packages. So once you start importing, display and define, once you click on this, after that came, then we have to go and continue, and once you hit continue, because right now there is no support packages, but once it appears, it will say to continue. So once you continue, then you will start applying the packages. So packages usually takes about 2 hours or 3 hours depending on how many packages you are going to import, right? So once that is done, then you need to check the log for the import process for errors, okay? And then you have to confirm. If there is error, then only you will go and check the log files, right? So this is how you are going to apply the support packages, okay? So hope you have understood how to import spam send update, and also you have seen like how to import the support packages. Thank you so much for attending this topic. Bye. Hello everybody. So as we seen in our last session about what are support packages and the concept of support packages and support packages stack. Today we will be seeing how to import spam sent before applying support packages. There are few steps for importing spam sent. The first step is you need to check the current spam version in your system. How are you going to check? You have to log on to SAP and enter transaction code SPAM, spam, and here if you see support package manager, version is 7.02.0040. This is the spam version in your SAP system. Click on all support packages and display what I've showed here. Like here you need to update the spam version. So when you import the latest spam version, it will show here. So this was imported on 2010. So now I believe it's more than that. So you need to apply the latest current spam. So once you way to get that support package, SAP KD release level, you will download from the service marketplace as I told earlier. So once you downloaded that package, you need to extract, which is our second step. Extract the file that contains the spam sent update at OS level. OS level you have to extract. For extracting, the steps, what are the steps involved here? The first important thing is you need to obviously go to OS level. Here you need to copy your file, that is your support pack, whatever KD 70, maybe now release 3, okay, and say the support package level number some XX. So you need to first copy that, okay. It will come in the car file. Car nothing but like we usually see WinZip and WinRAR, right? Similarly in SAP we call it as a car, okay. So this we have to unzip, we have to extract. That's why we call it as here extract. Whereas in WinZip, WinRAR we say, right, extract. Similarly here. So where you have to copy this, there is a directory USR SAP, okay. as I told before, in the trans directory, you have to copy that car file. Where is the directory? If you go to computer, in the E drive where your SAP is installed, you have to go to USR, SAP, under the trans, you have to copy that car file here. So once you copy that, the next thing is that you have to extract. So there is a command which you need to extract. So what is that command? You have to know about that. We call it as SAP car -xvf, and then you have to give that file name. What is that file name? KD release 703 whatever the number .car. Where you are going to type this command? You have to type this command on command prompt. How are you going to put? Like, see, this is the path. Okay, you have to go using the command prompt. Start, and you can see command prompt here. Click on that. Now here, by default, your current path is C, document and settings administrator, but you have to change it to the path to E drive. So CD space the path which is mentioned here. Now here into enter. If it didn't came, then just don't copy everything, just E colon enter. So you can see that path here. Here you have to go and type that command SAP car -xpf, then you have to keep that package number KD 703 and whatever the number is there .car, and once you hit enter, it will get extracted in your EPS in directory. Once it extract, okay, so these files, there are two files will appear here. We call it as a .pat and att. So two files will be extracted here. Once this two file extracted here, then you need to upload it from front end level. Okay, so front end level means you have to go here, and then from here you have to import spam. Click on support packages and click on import spam update. But before doing this, you have to load, right? So how are you going to load? You have to go to support package, load packages, and from application server, since we have copied at OS level. So once you click on this, it will, if the file is there, then it will take it from the application server. So once it took from the application server, then you have to go and say import saint update. So this is what our fourth step. Load the patch using transaction. After that, you are going to import, and then you have to confirm the queue. So once you are done with that, you have to confirm. Once you hit confirm, the sign will be green. So before now, there are three signals. One is red, yellow, and green. So if the support package is not applied properly, it will give an error like red. So you need to correct that error. After you correct the error, then once you import, it will be showing you yellow. And once you confirm, then it will be showing the signal green. This is how you are going to import the Saint spam update in the real-time environment. Hope you understood this concept. In our next session, we are going to see how to apply the support packages from the components. Thank you so much. Bye.